Alright guys, so I got wheels for the Mk4. They're Alzor's pretty basic Mk4 wheels, but finally got wheels. Tires should be coming soon in lugs, and then get them mounted. They're Alzor, I think they're style 020s. They're 18 by 9, and the tires I got were 225, so there'll be a little bit of stretch, but not too much. So got the wheels mounted with the tires. These are the tires, they're Federals, 225, 40, 18, and the wheels are 18 by 9. So there's a little bit of stretch, but not much. Wheels are on. Pretty good fitment. I need to get new coilovers because I rub pretty bad. Fitment is good though.
What, your wheels for the video?
Alright, so lip came. I'm gonna be putting that on today. Needs a little bit of modification. I have to cut down these little things a little bit, and then the ends I have to chop about that much off, but it should all be pretty easy. Start out by just measuring, finding the center of this, and I have to find the center of the bumper, and then get everything lined up. Alright, so I just mocked it up with a little bit of tape. I put the 2 center screws in, or the 2 side screws, but that's about all I did so far. Don't mind how dirty my car is. I actually didn't have to trim these center ones because they go behind the bumper, but I will have to trim this. Sticks out too far. All right, got most of it on, just have to finish up the corners. All right, so lip is on. Looks a wee bit lower. I have a solid like 6 inches off the ground. The middle is still like kind of flexy from shipping. Like, I think it was boxed up or something, as you can see.
Missouri.